All right, so I'm going to be showing you guys on what I started on one of my small accounts about $985.51. So I deposited that on Tuesday before our New York session, and we got into a couple of trades, and I turned $985.51 to 100K. So I did that in 3 days, and it's currently Thursday, and finally hit that during this morning in our New York session. So I'm going to be showing you the track record. I'm also going to be showing you that it's also a real account as well, so you guys can see the full transparency. And also I'm going to add another thing, that why I believe that the skill set is truly everything. So I was currently up 100K, got into a position, and it was a rookie mistake, and I lost 92K. Yes. Who makes 100K and then lose 92K immediately? But the skill set is a very powerful thing, and you guys can see the transparency of my previous trade. So, and then I made that back to 100K, and I'm going to show you guys now. So, starting out, it's $985.51, as you guys can see on the top corner. And now I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom where I lost 92K. So you guys can see that negative 92K. And then now I'm going to show you the current trades that made me back the 92K. So you guys can see here in the balance down below. So it's 103K. Made that all back less than 24 hours, and it's still Thursday. So everything is dated there below. You guys can see it. And then lastly, for the proof, you could also see that is a real account, my first and last name as well. So I will be making a withdrawal at the ending of this week. It's still Thursday, so we still have more room for profits.